Hello fellow 3D enthusiast, my name is Ian, and if you saw the roots tutorial that I did fairly recently, I just wanted to give a quick update. So this is where I left off in the last video, something like this, which is a pretty good result, but roots don't tend to look so smooth like this. So I wanted to show you real quick how you can get your curves into a mesh, and then how you can add a displace modifier on top of them, and then get sort of this kind of randomized crazy look on top of them, which in my opinion looks quite a bit better than if it was just cylinders like this. Okay, so I just recreated the result of the last tutorial's video real quick, and it's a really quick process, so it doesn't really take much time. But anyways, to make this look less even, like perfect cylinders, what we're going to do is we're going to convert this into a mesh. Right now, if we go into edit mode, it's all curves. So to convert this into a mesh, what we do is go spacebar. Let's just type in convert. You see this little thing here that says convert to, and that'll give us this menu. And we just go mesh from curve, meta, surf text. Once we click that, if we go into edit mode, you can see this is all a pretty nice mesh. And when we've created a mesh out of it, then we can go into our modifiers, displace. You know I love this modifier. Let's go new texture. I'm going to get clouds texture, kind of turn up the scale a little bit. Nice. Back to modifiers, turn down the strength. And we want a little bit of strength, but not too much strength. And actually, probably be good to take the size back down. And that's looking all right. Let's see if we can go like this. Change the mid-level a little bit. And now we've got this really nice kind of weird root randomness going on. And it's a lot less uniform, and it's a lot more believable if you're trying to get nice realistic roots. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you found this useful, and cheers.